Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to leave all beta programs by one click on your device, on your Play Store, on your Gmail. For this settings, you have to go to Play Store. After opening Play Store, you have to click here. Then you have to click Manage. You have to click Settings option. Then here you can see General option. Click to General. Then you have to click account and device preference. Click account and device preference. Then scroll down and here you can see leave beta programs. Click to leave beta programs. Tap to leave all beta programs that you have joined. This will remove your account from all beta programs that you have joined. Click to leave. After a few minutes, you will leave from all beta programs. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.